This is Brad with CostToBuild.net. We're here on the summary page with the same summary we created in a previous tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take this summary data and export it to our professional estimating software. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. You'll notice that there's several options that you can click on. The first one is Export to Edit Page. What Export to Edit Page is going to do is it takes each of these categories above with the associated costs and exports them to the professional estimating page. So I'm going to click on the Export to Edit button. A dialog pops up warning me that if I already have a custom bid opened, and I haven't saved it, it's going to overwrite that. I'm going to hit export. This will take us to the edit summary page. On the edit summary page, you'll see that I'm still logged in. We had a previous tutorial about creating a new account, so I'm logged into that account. Up at the top it says it has a couple options. I'm going to put in a name for this bid, and then I'm going to hit Save As. When I hit Save As, it pops up a list of the bids that I already have saved, if I have any. I can either hit Save New, which will save this current bid in a new slot, or I can click on one of the current slots and overwrite it. I'm going to click on this and just overwrite it. And to override it, I'll have to hit the Save As button. Once I do that, it takes that slot and saves all of this information in that slot. There's a couple of things I can do here once I've done this. The one thing is all these values are saved, but at this point the information I put into the wizard is not saved. If I want to save that information so that I can go back and start with the calculations in the house calculator, I need to hit Get from Wizard. What Get from Wizard does is it grabs all the values in the house calculator that we previously entered to get the summary, and it puts them with this bid. So it got those, but I have to also hit Save to save those up to the server. So I'm going to hit Save. Now if I go log out on another computer, I can sign into my account, I can click on the load, and I can load up this job that I have. We'll just do it. Didn't change anything because we already had it loaded. And then I can hit Put into the wizard. What that would do is take the values that were in the wizard and put them back into the house calculator. This can be nice to allow you to go back and change things and see what the results are of the change later on. We'll have another tutorial about the use of the professional estimating software, and watch for that. There's a lot you can do with each of these items to customize your bid and give you an exact bid for your new home.